If you know how to be dancing, oh, the time is present.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. You saying good morning to Ivy?
Good morning. Good morning, Ivy. Happy. Good morning, Ivy Arrow.
She had a pretty decent night. She just ate again. She had a nap this morning. You know her usual morning routine. And now she does not want to be put down. There'll be days like that. Anyway, you have so much Milo on your face.
Good morning to you. Bubble. Bubble.
Yeah, man. Look at that face. Son is always helping me out, fixing my fan, bringing my coffee. Thank you, big son. You want to put that there, son? Thank you, love. Love you.
Love you too.
Yeah. MoMo calling you.
Nana, what's up?
Hi.
We say you're making custard.
Who tell you that? Somebody let the cat out the bag.
That is it.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. You are.
I hope it's good. This guy right here is the one who is always around for this little sweetie. Remember to just kiss her head, okay? That's right.
Can I have a go play some piano?
Yeah, sure. Sir, what happened to you? You having a little chafe under the neck? You get chafe sometime on them neck with the heat, you know. Who put that on for you? God bless her.
Lady of leisure.
Oh yes. Automatic fan. What is life?
So guys, I wonder if you know that today is Carnival Sunday in Jamaica. So somewhere in Jamaica right now, there are people dancing, winding up, drinking, walking all about Kingston town, having the time of their life. And if some of you think Carnival in a summertime, but that's not, it's actually postponed Carnival. Carnival was put off from about April. Carnival usually go on, right? April Carnival usually go on, so it was put off. So I guess to facilitate the reopening of the place the proper way. So I guess there are tourists here and all kind of things, but of course we are taking care of baby. If we never had a baby and all of these responsibilities, who knows, guys, maybe me and Tami would have winding up on the road.
Definitely not.
She's not a big Carnival fan, but guess what, I have promised her to carry her to Trinidad Carnival and convince her what Carnival is really like. And believe me, I'm gonna do, it's on my bucket list to take her to Trinidad Carnival, and I know my Trini Posse is looking forward to Carnival next year.
You know why I want to go to Trinidad Carnival? The doubles. Literally, I just want to eat the doubles.
And bacon shark.
And bacon shark.
A bacon shark or shark and bake? Shake and bake. Shark and bake or bacon shark? Which, how it go? No, I'm not telling a lie. We're out of the loop bad this year, Star. But next year, we going on the road.
No, we're not.
We going on the road.
No,
Catch my wine.
No way, yo.
You can't edit, don't edit me, yeah? Come here.
My guy just had to bathe because he had a little
Rash.
The heat of the video wicked.
You need a cold shower, bro?
Very. And a lot of soap.
So what are you going to put on long pants now?
And hand in a pocket.
What about some shorts to stay cool? Alright.
Come powder your neck like them girl.
Wait, stop that.
You know that style, right? Alright, I don't know if any other country do this, but in Jamaica, after you bathe, you douse your neck with powder.
And your chest.
What's the point of it, by the way? It's just to be fresh, smell fresh, look fresh.
It's also a sign that you bathe.
It's a sign.
physical-
It's a sign that you have bathed.
fresh.
You're fresh. The soap, the powder, they ever brush off of you, so you know, say, and nobody can put on, you can't put on powder upon dirty skin. Everybody, it's a rule. So automatically, you know, say, oh, she just bathed, she come out, she fresh. Man don't do it, you know, it's women do it.
What?
I don't know if any other country does this, but yeah, Jamaica is a thing.
Maybe it's a Jamaican thing.
Maybe it's a Jamaican thing.
I love powder. If I never have allergies, I wear powder too. All the baby would get powder. Back in the days, powder we used to put in at the diaper, you know. Keep them fresh. Yeah.
True.
Yeah. And
So-
sometimes now, even when them get diaper rash, I mix like a powder with the thing.
Oh, give them
For-
an extra
yeah.
cool.
It keep you dry too.
Yeah.
But allergies, guys. Allergies and asthma and powder don't mix.
So Nana, you never know, say a Carnival Sunday today?
No, no.
Beer fun and frolicking going on the road, you know.
Never know.
But I think I never know them start and
You
they
know,
end up.
we used to play for Carnival.
Really?
Yeah, our band used to play for Carnival.
Gee! You know the picture with you in a bikini.
Jeez!
Them on second image.
Wait a minute.
Mommy and daddy are
Why you do me this? Why you can tell me why you does this to poor me?
Una Byron Lee used to par.
Yeah,
Really?
Byron Lee was a great band. We were nothing like Byron Lee, but there's this band that used to come from Trinidad. Second image.
Second image
With
a big
Trisha.
band. Even me know about
They
second
make we
image.
look like. Look here.
And the count of four. Hey, and the count of four.
Jump. Like you never jumped before. 1, 2, 1,
2, 3, 4. Moving to the left. Moving to the right. Oh, donkey.
Yeah.
This is the thing, guys. I love old soca. You see, the new soca, I'm not so good at it. So it's not that I don't love it, you know, but I wish somebody would do an old soca carnival.
You have some new soca with hot Tami. Where you there?
Carnival. Wait, don't feel like we never did this carnival one time, you know.
Really?
Second image was the thing,
Okay.
you know. So
Russell and Hilton were the lead singers.
but
Russell
we
and Hinton,
still
so
did
you
well.
know second image too?
Yes.
Oh, what did you
They
so?
were little.
Them did I go kudu.
They love them all.
Whiny.
Trisha.
The lead singer, them whiny.
Oh,
No, them have that
Trisha was
laugh.
gorgeous.
Trinidad, that they them DNA.
How you people know about dollar?
Mom, of
Warm tear.
Yeah.
Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar,
Nana used to
cent,
dance that on
5 cent,
stage.
alive.
Yes.
Jesus.
But
You a peace side, Nana. You a peace side, Nana. Come, Nana.
this
You a
is how I
peace
used to
side.
do it on stage
You
because
peace
I
side.
don't have the hip movement.
Wait, no. She says she don't like the pace. She going too slow. She want to walk up the waist and raise the tempo. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar, cent. Alright, we need to start from a lower gear.
Yes.
Alright. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar, cent, 5 cent, 10 cent. Looking good. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Alright, we got the wine, the pace, dollar wine, dollar. No, sir, them dead. The whole place is shit. Earthquake. No, she's willing her waistline to go with the dollar move. Murder.
We used to have some fun though.
That is murder. Nana is the best fun. When Mr. Terry, her husband in England, said this, a cold sweat I go wash him. Cold sweat is gonna wash him. Okay? Big up, Mr. Terry.
Is the custard, guys. It's like a flan, and my whole childhood is wrapped up in this, and I can't wait to eat it. Wow.
Yes, and the middle soft.
Wow. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Delicious. One of my favorite things ever is just sardine with onion, pepper, little mustard. I add a little of this in there too. So good. Yummy. Oh, and a little cilantro. How do bread?
Don't like so.
Marvelous.
Guys, we're there. I have to share this with the vlog. We're there reminisce about the old school calypso and soca. Remember Mighty Sparrow? Remember Rose, Soca Rose? And you have a thing named, you see like how Jamaica have Jimmy Cliff? Trinidad have a thing named David Rudder. My God, the man have a thing named Amen.
How you again?
Oh.
Everybody sing praise. Everybody sing praise. Everybody sing praise. If you know what I'm feeling,
Put up your hand.
If you know what I'm feeling,
Put up your hand.
If you know what I'm feeling,
Put up your hand.
If you know what I'm feeling, sing. Oh, God is praised. Oh, let God be praised. Oh, Father in His mercy.
Send a little soca, we make the vibration raise. And everybody say, and then we country. And everybody say, Speaking of which, Winnie, Nisi, love scare. Love old school.
Really?
Put on scare music for she go and say, ready?
You love scare music, girl?
Yeah.
She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at those eyes. Hello.
The Jamaican scare. Show my
I heard start that.
No, but something about the old school resonate deep with it, man.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Because even like cent 5 cent 10 cent, we never have no reason as little picnic
Old school soca party.
if you know them song them, but they were just so huge, so awesome. Yep. Remember them time, the boy. Soup time. Beef soup, guys. Turn up.
When school start
And
making them sit the gooseneck.
it's well proper.
And gooseneck in it. And you know what gooseneck?
Gooseneck is a thing.
It's where all the grizzly bits are. So good.
Yo, mega fine piece. There we go.
Gooseneck.
Goosey.
But
It's
not
like cow
gooseneck,
skin.
right?
It's just like cow skin vibe. It's like a cow skin vibe.
If you love me, can you give me that piece of gooseneck?
You must be mad.
Please.
She love it.
I only got no pieces. I'm just joking with it. I just wanted to see if you'd do it. I'm taking it out.
Watch me now. Alright, Tete. Remember all our the good times that we share.
That is a good car wash.
Mommy set him up.
Yeah.
Mommy just say, yo, have fun and hold a little
You
vibe.
have to just find a spot where you can wipe.
And nice
And just make
easy
it
wiping
go on.
spot.
I should have
Just
put him
go
in the
wet
shower.
up and- Man,
Wow.
car wash.
You dried it? Good job, baby.
Things I would have never think to do. But sometimes you have to just, you know, be creative with the little joy when you make them hold. See, they're quiet like fresh mouse.
Ozzy, look at daddy.
Ozzy, look at me. Gee, no, sir.
You went swimming?
Yeah.
Oh, mercy.
Going to swimming. I think you're going to swimming.
Okay.
Boy.
Clean it up now.
You don't get to know mommy.
Not
Yourself
yet?
in a problem now.
Okay, come eat. Tessie is feeding my babies and I'm feeding hers.
Yeah.
That is not our
So only rice.
Oh, but why the fact she want food? No more food, miss.
Just find things to entertain her.
She want to come look for me.
She smell
you. My dog. You never read a song about me yet. You never put my name in a song yet. Me say you never put my name in a song. You say Popcorn put Tony name in a one song.
Girl, you pretty like my wife Tami chin. You have the body for carry me offspring, yeah.
Yeah.
In love me falling. I gotta put it out, Tami.
Yeah.
I put it out. I produce it this week.
We left Nana and Tessie with the baby, and Momo is watching the boys because they're putting an order for ice cream. So we're gonna go get ice cream for the whole household.
That is it. You know, say Atlas about wicked progression on the key, on the piano. We said the boy Atlas are going good. I don't know, guys. I'm not going to talk too soon, but my little son Atlas looks like he is very musically talented. And when I say talented, I mean like up their levels, but I'm not gonna talk too soon. I'm gonna get him into classes very soon though.
Ivad, call me. What do you think?
Ivad, shout to you. Yeah.
Tell us what you
Call
think.
me now.
Call me now.
Yeah, I need to know what to do as the next move with this little boy.
I need to know. Tell me, Ivad, cause I need to know. Wait, them now stop art come. I need to know. I need to know.
And the nicest thing, people, is when you have ice cream in your house in the Sunday afternoon and you can do so, and then after dinner, you just go so red.
It's hot too.
Oh my God.
I don't have anything planned for dinner.
For dinner, we can meditate on it.
There is literally nothing better than watching MoMo watch a movie. Hilarious, look at this.
Yes, that's what we get. Oh no. Very right. The Rachel bunny. In there. Come on, please just die. Don't. Please, there's one of you there. No. God. Jesus. Watch out, Jesus. Oh. But you know, we can't go down. Oh no.
Okay, so I just came back off the road. I brought some food for the family. I went to the barber. What else happened while I was gone, Tami?
They were watching a movie. Not much really.
I didn't miss much. What about my baby girl? How is she doing?
Oh boy.
Mommy, let me
She wants to
explain.
just,
Mommy, let me explain
do her
this.
thing.
Mommy, let me tell everyone.
Okay.